So, to financially prepare for divorce, you need to make sure that you're aware of obviously all of your own personal finances, anything from bank accounts to tax returns to retirement accounts. You also need to look at any joint accounts that you have with your spouse. You need to make sure you have access to the account. You need to make sure that you know the balances of those accounts. Other financial things you should do ahead of a divorce. Well, even if you're not going through a divorce, everyone should have a budget. I always say that, but especially leading up to a divorce, you definitely need to have a budget because you need to be aware of where you're spending money and how you're spending money. Because too, you need to look and make sure, hey, if I do get divorced or if I need to move out, can I financially afford this? Or am I going to need a court order to give me some form of temporary support to get me through the divorce? So it's very important that you know a budget, know your expenses, and you can do that by go through your bank account, go through your credit card statements. If you're someone who tends to draw money out of the ATM and get cash, see what you're spending that cash on, and follow that for 2 or 3 months and make sure that you know your finances.